If you want to use Quick Share in order to transfer files on your Samsung Galaxy A37, the easiest way to do so is, first of all, we can find a file that we want to transfer, or files, of course. So let's say if I go to Gallery, I should be able to select a couple of images that I want to share, and then over here we should be able to use the Share option. So once we tap on Share, among various different options, one of them should be Quick Share. And then here we can, of course, try to find nearby devices. We can also generate a QR code instead if we have trouble with detecting. This is also quite useful. And of course, then we should be able to transfer files after selecting the device. Now, on the other hand, we can just also open the Quick Share app. So if I go to this expandable area in the Quick Settings panel, then at least by default, we can find the Quick Share option in here. This allows you to open this panel. We can go to Send, we can select files, and the rest is pretty much the same. Also, what is quite important is, of course, the visibility, at least in the case of other devices that want to receive our files. Ideally, in order to make sure that everything goes correctly, you want to make them stay on that menu of Quick Share. So on that other device, for example, if this phone wants to receive files, ideally you want to go to the Quick Share app, stay in Receive menu, because this allows you to be visible temporarily to everyone until you are here in this menu. Of course, you can also just go to Settings, then choose Connected Devices, and then over here we can go to Quick Share at the top in order to adjust the visibility. So this is our normal visibility. So even if we are not inside the app, if we don't have the app opened, we can of course set ourselves to be visible to everyone, and then you don't have to be in that app all the time in the Receive menu. But of course, if you just want to if you don't want to be visible all the time, then you might want to switch to your devices or contacts or whatever. But then of course, in that case, you probably want to be in that Quick Share app. Yeah. In the Receive menu. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.